Nothing phone. 1. Ownership cost. Here is the price of the phone, charger and case but minus launch discount. Since the Nothing phone 1 doesn't come with a charger, protective case and tempered cover, you will need to buy them separately. The company has officially launched these accessories separately. Nothing phone 1 is officially official in India and worldwide, but buyers can't buy it just yet. The Nothing phone 1 will go on sale for the first time on July 21st only on Flipkart. That's the only platform that you will be able to buy the phone 1 from. The company hasn't revealed anything about the phone's offline availability yet. Besides the unique and fun design, Nothing phone 1 manages to offer a good specs sheet for the price. Originally, the Nothing phone 1 starts at a price of 32,999 rupees in India. The smartphone comes in 3 variants: 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. Here are the retail prices of all 3 Nothing phone 1 models. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 32,999 rupees. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 35,999 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 38,999 rupees. But, as the company revealed, during the first sale on July 21st, customers who pre-ordered the phone previously will be able to get the Nothing phone 1 for a slightly cheaper price. Let's take a look at the discounted prices. But it should be noted that this is just a limited period offer. Nothing phone 1 price after the bank offer. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 29,999 rupees. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 32,999 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 35,999 rupees. That's not it. Since the Nothing phone 1 doesn't come with a charger, protective case and tempered cover, you will need to buy them separately. The company has officially launched these accessories separately. Nothing charger price for regular users 2,499 rupees. Nothing charger price for pre-order customers 2,499 rupees. Nothing protective case 1,499 rupees. Nothing tempered glass 999 rupees. So, customers who pre-booked the phone and wants to buy these accessories as well, here's how much they will need to pay in total. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 33,999 rupees. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 36,999 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 41,999 rupees. In case someone who hasn't pre-booked the Nothing phone 1 buys the phone and these accessories as well, here's how much they will need to pay in total for the phone. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 37,999 rupees. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 40,999 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 43,999 rupees. The Nothing phone 1 will go on sale for the first time on July 21st at 7 p.m. IST. Only for Flipkart.